In today's video, we'll be sharing with you this delicious bacon wrapped shrimp recipe. Welcome to Tasty and Quick Recipes. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications if you enjoy this video. For this recipe, you will need shrimp, bacon cut in half, 2 tablespoons of melted butter, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of paprika, and 1 teaspoon of brown sugar. To the melted butter, we're going to add in the chili powder, paprika, and the brown sugar and mix until completely combined. Wrap each of the shrimp in a slice of bacon. Place on a baking sheet. Brush our butter mixture on top of the shrimp. Bake this in the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. Brush with another layer of the butter mixture. Bake this in the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 minutes. Our bacon wrapped shrimp is complete, and now you can plate and serve. We hope you enjoy.